Hey, Bruce Naylor here, your Boomer Consumer. Today we're looking at the Axloie Attitude True Wireless Earbuds. Now you can pick these up for $46 on Amazon. I have the link down below. As a disclaimer, Axloie sent these to me for review. However, all opinions are my own and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. Now let's talk about some of the features of the Axloie Attitude Earbuds. First off, they're Bluetooth 5.0. They are hi-fi stereo. They have CBC 8.0 noise cancellation, an ergonomic design, and I65 rated for water resistance. You get multi-mode touch that you can use for things like switching songs, raising and lowering the volume, talking with Siri on here, answering rejecting calls. Very, very, very nice on that. You can connect to two different devices with these earbuds. Each one weighs 4.4 grams, so they're very, very light. Approximately 1/15 of an ounce. You get auto pairing on here, 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which you can use to charge your phone using the case as a portable charger. A lot of features for not a whole lot of money. Well, let's go over the unboxing. First, you're going to get a nice package on it. They did a good job with that. And in the package, you're going to get a user manual. Very, very helpful. Recommend that you read this one. A thank you card. Of course, your left and your right earbuds, charging case, the accessory box with the nice storage bag, you get a USB charging cable, 3 pairs of earplugs, and of course the bag itself. So that's what comes in the box. And when your earbuds are charging, you'll have this little red light on here. These 3 blue LEDs indicate that the charging case has a full battery in it. They're not too bad to get the earbuds out of. You just kind of give it a little pull and pull again. And then there we go. Close the case up and you're good to go. The case seems to be pretty sturdy. It's plastic, of course. Got a plastic hinge on the back. You open it from the front here where the USB port is. Pop it open and you just put your left and your right. There's a actual little number on or letter on here indicates the left and right earbuds. So I'll put this in the right. There we go. And you see you put it in there, it goes back and starts charging the earbuds. Stay charged up all the time that way. So all in all, the case seems to be well designed. I like the LEDs on there giving me the charging status. I like the way that they're securely fit in here, so you're not going to lose them. See, upside down, they're not coming out. So it's got strong magnets in there. I think it'll last you a good long time. So pairing these is a pretty simple process. Once you take them the first time out of the case, they're going to go into pairing mode. You're going to go into your phone, you're going to go to your Bluetooth, scan for your devices. The Attitude left and right devices will show up on there. And then I have these using a dual audio setup on this Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. And you are good to go. It shows as one Bluetooth device connected here, but they're actually both connected. And then if you take one out, then you're to charge, then you can use it in mono mode. It still works that way. So while I was recording this call, an actual telemarketing call came in. I answered the phone, and then once I realized the telemarketing call, I just tapped the earbud, and it rejected the call and hung up. Nice feature to have. Let's talk about the sound quality of these earbuds. First off, it's got a very nice, rich sound to it. It does do a decent job of noise cancellation, which I'm pretty happy with. As far as the bass goes, I think that is probably about medium. It's not too bass heavy, but it's not super weak either. The mids and the highs sound brilliant on it. Gets nice and loud without blowing out your eardrums. Now, as far as comfort is concerned, very comfortable. These are nicely made. Nice cones on here that go in the ear. You see, again, these are marked for your left and your right. Tells you which ones to go in. You get 3 other pairs of earbuds if these aren't comfortable. So it comes with a total of 4 different sets of earbuds on here. So really, really well thought out. Of course, you have these multi-touch on here. Again, you can use them to raise and lower the volume, switch tracks on your audio, your music, answer, reject phone calls, and you can summon Siri with these. Now, of course, I'm using an Android phone, but it works very, very well with Android. Of course, we don't have Siri on that, but so what? So one of the features I like about this is I don't have to have both earbuds at a time to listen to music, talk to call, whatever. One can be charging in the case while the other is in use, and then when you take it back out, it'll automatically pair and start working again. So very, very nicely done on that. If the status lights on here flash once every 5 seconds, that means you're getting a low battery. Time to put it in the case. Time to put it in the case at that point. So to control what you can do with these earbuds, number one, this is the left and this is the right. The left is the master, the right is the slave. Tap once and play and pause your music. Tap twice to skip backwards. If a call comes in, you can tap once. On the right, again, tap once, play and pause. Tap twice, skip forward, right? So you kind of use a combination of the left and right to do all the controls. Tap once again to answer, end a call, etc. And if you're not in music mode, the left one time to reject a call, and then press and hold will turn the volume down, and on the right, press and hold will turn the volume up. Nicely, nicely done on these earbuds. So getting back to the case, 3,000 milliamp hour battery. There is a USB charging port on here, so you can plug it via your laptop. There's not a wall charger that goes with it. It took about 3 to 4 hours for it to fully charge for me. Status indicator on the charge level of the battery. When all three are blue, then you get a full charge. You can see when these are red on the earbuds, that means that they're charging. And that's pretty much it. These are actually quite simple to use. I love the sound quality on these. Excellent. They're very, very comfortable. Matter of fact, I really pretty much forgot they were even in my ears after a little while. So it's got that going for it. Great connectivity. It instantly pairs up with your phone. So you have an excellent alternative to much more expensive wireless earbuds with the Axloie Attitude True Wireless Earbuds. Look, they're light, they're comfortable, great sound, and at a bargain price of $46. So there you have it. That is my review of these earbuds. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you in my next video. Bruce Naylor, your boomer consumer. Take care.